Also known as sill plates, your step plates often are some of the most used parts in your car with getting in and out. They can show many scratches, dents, and even lose the enamel paint. If you're looking to restore your step plates to factory condition, we make the highest quality on the market. Hey Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1959 through 70 Cadillac step plates. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. These are manufactured from stamped aluminum using case-hardened steel tooling to ensure a precise fit every time. They also feature the correct model-specific pattern and includes all the authentic riveted identification tags. After proper inspection, we carefully bake on black enamel paint where applicable. In addition, the mounting holes are pre-drilled and screws are included for installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. More information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.